Before buying an Obd2 scanner, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. Buyers often struggle with compatibility and feature availability, leading to frustration. But understanding what really works for your vehicle can save you time and money.
Product number 1, OBD-Link CX Bimmer Code. Let's kick things off with the OBD-Link CX Bimmer Code. This Bluetooth 5.1 OBD2 adapter, priced at $79.95, instantly grabbed my attention because it's specifically designed for BMW and Mini vehicles. If you want to tap into advanced coding and diagnostics for your BMW, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The OBD-Link CX is recommended by the Bimmer Code team and supports 100% of BMW protocols. This means you get access to advanced features like live parameter monitoring and diagnostics right from your iOS or Android device. You won't have to worry about compatibility either, as it has a solid connection that avoids data corruption, essential for preventing ECU issues. It's been purchased over 2,000 times in the past month, indicating that many BMW enthusiasts trust it. Now, some people complained about the lack of the Bimmer Code app included in the purchase. Here's the thing though, while that's a minor inconvenience, the app's incredible functionality is well worth the extra cost. You'll still get a lot of value with this scanner. This is perfect for you if you own a BMW or Mini and want to enhance your vehicle's capabilities. Skip this one if you need an all-in-one scanner from multiple brands, as it's tailored specifically for BMW. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more universal solution.
Product number 2, BLCT-Tech 460T OBD2 Scanner. The BLCT-Tech 460T, retailing for $199.99. This isn't just another scanner. It's like having a professional mechanic in your pocket. If you want a comprehensive diagnostic tool that covers all systems, this is definitely worth a serious look. The BLCT-Tech 460T supports all 10 OBD2 modes and provides real-time live data, which means you can see what's going on with your car in real time. The standout feature? It offers 12+ reset functions, including maintenance resets and even ABS bleeding, essential for DIY mechanics looking to avoid the shop. Plus, it's compatible with all OBD2 compliant vehicles in the USA and Canada from 1996 onward, making it a versatile choice for many users. However, some users noted that the compatibility checker on the website can be a bit tricky to navigate. Here's the thing, while it requires a moment of your time, confirming compatibility before purchase is crucial to ensure you maximize the scanner's capabilities. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or mechanic who enjoys tackling all sorts of repairs at home. Skip this one if your vehicle is older than 1996 or if you don't plan to use advanced features. Value-wise, it offers a lot for the price. Now, if the price of the BLCT-Tech 460T seems high, the next option is definitely more budget-friendly.
Product number 3, Xtool A30M V2.0. Let's check out the Xtool A30M V2.0, which is priced at $135.14. This scanner caught my eye because it offers lifetime free updates, something rare in this market. If you want an affordable solution that keeps getting better, this is worth a serious look. The A30M features full bidirectional control, allowing you to send commands to your car's ECU for active tests. This means you can test various components like fuel pumps and windows right from your smartphone, making it super convenient. Plus, it includes 26 reset functions, which is fantastic for regular maintenance and repairs. The wireless connectivity is also a game changer. You can diagnose issues from up to 33 feet away. But I'll be real with you, some users found the interface a bit clunky at first. Here's the thing, once you get the hang of it, the convenience it offers far outweighs that initial learning curve, especially for DIYers. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend mechanic who wants an affordable, feature-rich scanner. Skip this one if you need something with extensive manufacturer-specific capabilities, as it's more of a general-purpose tool. For the price, you're getting a lot of functionality. Alright, that was a solid option, but if you're looking for something that handles newer vehicles, you'll want to check out the next one.
Product number 4, BLCT-Tech 440 OBD2 Scanner. Let's talk about the BLCT-Tech 440, which is priced at just $74.99. This scanner really surprised me with its capabilities, especially at that price. If you need something straightforward that gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. The BLC Tech 440 excels in its simplicity, providing effortless vehicle health management. It not only reads and clears trouble codes, but also offers emissions readiness checks, making it perfect for those needing to prepare for smog tests. Its live data graphing feature allows for in-depth monitoring, which is essential for diagnosing performance issues. However, some users mention that the screen size is quite small. Here's the thing though, while a larger display would be nice, the functionality and accuracy of the diagnostics make it a minor inconvenience for most home mechanics. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly tool that's easy to use for basic diagnostics. Skip this one if you want advanced features or compatibility with newer models, as it's more suited for the essentials. Honestly, for under $75, you're getting a solid tool that won't break the bank. Now, if you're looking for something with even more advanced features, you should definitely consider the last product on our list.
Product number 5, ThinkDiag2 Obd2 Scanner. We have the ThinkDiag2, priced at $159.99. This one stood out because of its bidirectional capabilities and extensive compatibility. If you're serious about DIY repairs and want a tool that grows with your needs, this is worth a serious look. The ThinkDiag2 supports over 120 car brands and includes the latest CAN FD protocol, which is a big deal for newer vehicles. It provides all system diagnostics and can read and clear fault codes across multiple modules, making it an incredibly versatile option. Plus, with 15 maintenance functions, including oil resets and ABS bleeding, you can tackle a lot of common issues at home. The AutoVIN feature also saves you time by automatically identifying your vehicle. Now, some users did find the setup a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get through the initial setup, the features you gain access to are well worth it, especially for more complex diagnostics. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY mechanic who needs a powerful, comprehensive diagnostic tool. Skip this one if you only need basic functions for an older vehicle. For the capabilities it offers, it's a great investment for serious car enthusiasts.
So there you have it, 5 great Obd2 scanners with ECU coding features. The Obd-Link CX is perfect for BMW owners, while the BLC Tech 460T is a fantastic all-around choice. The X-Tool A30M offers great functionality at a budget price, and the BLCK 440 is great for those who want something straightforward. Finally, the ThinkDiag2 is an excellent option for those needing advanced features. Depending on your needs, any of these could be a great addition to your toolkit.